Hello, student. Welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today, you will see the presentation of Miss Pradnya Patil on Human Resource Management. So, let's see the presentation.
Good morning friends, my name is Pradnya Patil, current admission in BBA first year. Today I will be telling about human resource planning process. So let's start. Human resource planning process. The human resource planning is a process of forecasting and the organization demand for and supply of manpower needs in the near future. Human resource planning process. Objective of human resource planning: current manpower inventory, forecasting demand and supply, manpower gaps, appraisal of manpower planning, training and development, employee plan. Determining the objectives of human resource planning. The foremost step in every process is the determination of the objectives for which the process is to be carried on. The objective for which the manpower planning is to be done should be defined precisely so as to ensure that a right number of people for the right kind of job are selected. The objectives can vary across the several departments in the organization, such as the personal demand may differ in marketing, finance, production, HR department based on their rules of function. Analyzing current manpower inventory. The next step is to analyze the current manpower supply in the organization throughout the stored information about the employees in terms of their experience professionally required to perform a particular job. Also, the future vacancies can be estimated so as to plan for the manpower from both the internal within a current employees and the external hiring candidates from outside source. Thus it to be ensured that reservoir of talent of inventory to meet any vacancy hiring in the near future. Forecasting demand and supply of human resource. Once the inventory of talent manpower is maintained, the next step is to match the demand for the manpower arising in the future with the supply or available resource with the organizations. Here the required skills of personnel for a particular job are matched with the job descriptions and specifications. Analyzing the manpower gaps. After forecasting the demand and supply, the manpower gaps can be easily evaluated. In case the demand is more than the supply of human resource, that means there is a deficit. Thus new candidates are to be hired. Whenever if the demand is less than supply, there arises a surplus in the human resource and hence the employees have to be removed either in the form the termination, retirement, layoff, employment plan, action plan. Once the manpower gaps are evaluated, the action plan is to be formulated accordingly. In a case of different, the firm may go either a requirement training, interdepartmental transfer plans, whereas in the case of surplus, the voluntary retirement schemes, redeployment, transfer, layoff could be followed. Training and development. The training is not only for the new joins but also for the existing employees who are required to update their skills from time to time. Appraisal of manpower planning. Finally, the effectiveness of the manpower planning process is to be evaluated. Here, the human resource plan is compared with its actual information to ensure the ability of a number of employees for several jobs. At this stage, the firm has to decide the success of the plan and control the deficiency if any. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.